So I'm going to show you how I make rows in my garden. Pretty simple here. I actually replaced the back rock guard off of my rototiller. This is a 5-foot tiller that I run on a Kubota BX 1850, and you're not really supposed to run one that wide on there. But what I did just to drop the power load on was I took one row of tines off, so really power to the ground is about the same as a 4-foot one now. But back to the topic here. What I made is just a new board in the back, and what this does is, you'll see in the video, is it creates really nice rows. And all this is a 2x4 in the back, and obviously this is the same distance as the 2x4. This is a 3/4 inch piece of treated plywood. Doesn't have to be treated. And then to provide some gusset, I have lag bolted through the entire assembly here some more 2x4s, and that provides a little weight and a little strength back here. On the corners, I just had some old angle iron in the shop, and I put that on here with a through bolt and a bolt that on each side, and a washer lock nut setup that holds on from the same location as the rock guard. So hopefully this system here helps you out. You can make these, if you wanted smaller, narrower rows, or shorter, not so deep rows. You can make this profile whatever you wanted it to be. This is just what we like for the drainage situation we have. So hope this helps, and good luck.
If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.